Do you know which animals are halal and which are haram in Islam? Let's find out. Halal animals are those that are pure, clean, and slaughtered in the name of Allah. Examples include goats, sheep, cows, camels, chickens, and fish, all lawful to eat when slaughtered properly. But beware, some animals are haram, meaning forbidden. These include pigs, donkeys, dogs, cats, lions, tigers, eagles, and any animal with fangs or claws used for hunting. Even seafood has rules. Fish is halal, but creatures like crocodiles or frogs are not. Always remember, halal food keeps your body pure and your soul clean. Share this video to spread awareness about what's lawful and what's not in Islam.